Ham from the pork leg.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, and these are the salted fish. These are the dried oyster, and some dried coconut. Come out here. This meaning having a son, the coconut, meaning once you get married you have a son soon, because the son carry on the family name. That's important for Chinese people. And then so all these things like good luck. Like this tangerine is more money. So it's all good wishes. And the cypress is for longevity, longevity also to the marriage life. So all this good wishes. Their flower is actually getting from the dark soil, with a lot of seeds. Normally we call it maybe soup, maybe dessert, soup dessert. Both way. They themselves are sweet.
好，俾咗啦，好，係啦，幫忙啊嘛，你唔問，係，都得。好，你問咩啊？50蚊你夠你買到。
That's a fish.